Hey, it's me, Devin Lowe. I got my friend Logan. I'm using the Python that I told you in my other video. And we're gonna... Whoa! Not that close with the barrel. I got a doctor's excuse that I have to keep this in my mouth.
And our mission is to sneak up this room
and save the hostages.
I'll take pistol. Shotgun.
I'm using pistol. He's using that gun.
Let's go.
Run, get out of this room.
She's clear.
Get out of this room. Okay. No hostages in there. Take cover! I'm gonna hold the camera like this. No weapon!
How did it shut down?
Oh, my arm!
Here!
I'm healed! We're taking heavy fire. It's me. We're taking heavy fire.
I'm okay. I'm just down. Oh, free quarter.
Headshot. Just you.
Looks like my friend's down. Let's go. Wait. Darn it, I wish I had health packs. I can see in the background. I'll have to carry a sword, just in case. To take down a gun. Fake run. I see him. He's shooting me. He's a bandit. Looks like he's a comic book. How about I took the gun out of your hands? That's when he's dead. Well, we'll see you later.